Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, believe it or not, Bitcoin is right now doing what we've been waiting for. Or is it? Well, I will go into the charts because as you remember previously, I was talking about a symmetrical triangle and I was telling you within 8 hours, Bitcoin is going to break out. And right now something is happening in the charts, which I have to talk about. I am here actually at the pier in Dubai on a boat, but this doesn't hold me back from making this emergency video for you. Smash up the like button towards the new all-time high if you want more of these updates in an emergency, no matter where I am from my phone. If you are giving me that feedback, I will make more of these videos in the future. Leave your favorite altcoins down below. And right now I want to go straight into the charts. And quick announcement, in the video previously here, I got more than 10,000 likes already. So I will show you what's in my golden suitcase, but in the next video, because this is an emergency one. Let me go straight into the charts. And of course, I am going to talk about my trades, about my previous trades, about my potential future trades here, and what I am thinking about this breakout. And of course, I will be including all the price targets. So let's start here on the hourly candles for Bitcoin. And what you can see right now is that Bitcoin is bouncing in between support and resistance of this symmetrical triangle. And I was talking about, we were just here like 3-4 hours ago. Within 8 hours, we are going to break out. And Bitcoin is right now actually breaking out. The only question is this a legitimate breakout? This is exactly what I want to be talking about. And as always, sometimes when in doubt, zoom out. In this case, when in doubt, zoom in. Because we want to determine whether this was a confirmed breakout so far. So if I'm going here on the 50-minute candles, you can see we broke out, we got rejected, we bounced at the support, at the previous residential support, turning into support. And Bitcoin was breaking after the confirmation above the previous rejection point. And look at this, tone base! Look at this, I have tone base here. Just a second, guys. Hey man, I'm recording a video right now.
I just got off the other boat.
Woo! Tone base,
Bitcoin is wrong boat.
Bitcoin is breaking out. Bitcoin is breaking out. The volume is missing. What do you think about that?
I've been bullish as hell. We're consolidating. I think we're gonna go to new all-time high in the next 2 days.
Yeah, all right. I will quickly continue recording. I see you later. So guys, I want to go back into the chart. So I was here at the 15-minute candles, and let me talk about what's actually happening here. So every check mark is fulfilled. The only thing which is missing right now is actually the volume. But as you can see, the volume starts to come in. Let's wait. Let's just wait a little bit. If you really want the last confirmation, the last pound the table confirmation, we want to see the hourly volume candle beating all the previous volume candles to confirm that even the market is agreeing to that specific breakout. And to give you a quick confirmation, that was so funny with tone. Carl is actually also here. Don't know if he's gonna join the video quickly. Carl from the moon. Let me quickly show you the measurement tool. If I am pulling over this measurement tool, if this breakout would be successful, you know the deal. 60. Wait, just a second. This would be the specific. Just a second. This would be the specific breakout target. If you want to play it very safe, then this breakout could lead us all the way up to the 62,000 areas. And yeah, you could even pull this one a little bit further here, and this one also a little bit further there. But then I would take the measurement tool. Actually, yeah, the best thing you could do, or like the most positive thing you could do, or the most bullish thing, the most bullish price target could be, but I wouldn't take this one. I would take the 62,000 just to play it very safe, or take profits at the first one and then take more profits at the second one. Oh, sorry. Let's pull it like this and pull it over. Sorry guys, but this is when you make a video from the boat, right? So now let's pull it over. Then we would talk about the 67,000 US dollar price target, and this is, as you do remember, in alignment with the Fibonacci golden just a second, with the Fibonacci golden pocket. If I'm actually pulling this right there, oh sorry, from the swing low all the way higher to the swing high, you can see it here on the right hand side, the Fibonacci golden ratio. And whenever we are seeing confluence in the charts, let me quickly go back, whenever we are seeing confluence in the chart, a measured move price target and also a Fibonacci golden ratio being in alignment with each other, well, this is usually a very, very good sign. Also, by the way, if you want to be trading as well, you know the deal. I have a $700 US bonus link for you down below. Before I'm going into my trades, before I show you also how I would be, and how I am maybe already trading it here. Before I'm doing that, go down below, claim the $700 US bonus by clicking the link down below. After your initial deposit, making the account takes like 30 seconds in total. You get $700 for free on these exchanges in the pinned comment down below. Let me quickly talk about the chart here. And you remember how I was on Twitter? If you follow me at MMCrypto, I was saying the moment of truth, Bitcoin breakout, confirmation or fake out. In the moment we confirmed the breakout, I was actually telling you that we are confirming here probably, and that we have to hold the line. We did that, and you got this announcement in the exact moment it was happening. As you can see, thousands of likes already popping in, which is very, very beautiful. Thank you so much for all your support. Quickly, I want to go over into the trade. Here you can see 2.5 million US dollars in a profit. I'm having my trade open. I'm riding it more towards the upside because I was anticipating that the higher likelihood was actually going to play out. And you know, symmetrical triangle is a bullish continuation pattern if the trend is bullish leading into it, and now we are breaking out. But wait for the volume if you really want to play it very, very safe, because a fake out after confirmation can be very dangerous for Bitcoin. I mentioned the bearish price targets earlier, so make sure you take care about that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. Drink water, stay hydrated, and as always, guys, as always, bye bye.